Create a new file with a black background. My file is 1920 by 1080 pixels. Select the horizontal type tool and type your text. Select the Move tool and press Ctrl+T. You can now resize and move the text. Click on the FX icon and select Outer Glow. Create a black outer glow. You can find the settings I used here. If you want to see what the glow looks like, you can temporarily make it a different color. Don't forget to make it black again afterwards. Right-click on the text layer and select Rasterize Layer Style. Go to Window and select Actions. Create a new action. Name your action and press Record. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the text layer. Select the bottom text layer. Press Ctrl+T. Select Toggle Reference Point. Place the reference point on the bottom in the center. Connect the width and height with the chain icon. Make the width 95%. The height should also be 95% now. Click on the check mark. Click on the stop icon to stop recording. Select the action. Press play. Keep pressing play until you're happy with the effect. And that's how you create this stacked text.